born in Brooklyn and raised in Bay Ridge. Always was the kid that had to play tricks, wanted to fit in with all of the cool kids, but I was denied a chance. Shit will always hit the fan whenever I would ever try to make some sense. The kids on the block would never let me have friends. They would always laugh at me and tell me I'm short. I was never good at sports, not allowed on the court. I was put down ever since the day I was born. Why wasn't I warned about how I turned up? Beaten up so much that I will almost throw up. Thinking about suicide every day, the month. Thinking about death, I was becoming depressed. All I wanted to do was put a gun to my head, squeeze the trigger so I could end all of this stress. But what was I thinking? I didn't want to be dead. Thinking about myself, I didn't want to admit it, cause it was hard for me to say, but there was nothing to it. I wanted to just be like everyone else, so now I made a choice, go to heaven or hell. So I made this decision to try and change my life. I couldn't do it myself, but I didn't ask why I slipped into them drugs. I don't wanna have a relapse. People made fun of me just to get a cheap laugh. As a result of that, I became more sad. Look for more drugs just so I can mask the fact that I'm a sad individual. The drugs made it worse, I couldn't see it then, but I think I was cursed. I was on 6 perks just so I could go to sleep. It's just so sad to see what the drugs have done to me. It's depressing as fuck to think where I used to be. No one can ever understand what I've been through. My parents always said to never sip that juice, but I told them I'm not gonna listen to you. I wanted to be my own person, but on the inside I needed help cause I was hurting. It's not easy to admit when you're ignorant like me, but we have to have faith that we will die in our sleep, cause we never have another chance to change your life. Tell your mom you love her cause you might not come back tonight.